Hi guys. In this video, I will show you that how you can download and install the HitPaw Video Enhancer into your PC or laptop. So this is the best video enhancer, and you can upscale your videos, sharpen your videos. So first, open your N browser, and here in the Google search box, just type the HitPaw Video Enhancer download. After that, now you will come up the first website, which is the HitPaw 8i Video Enhancer. Just click on this website. And now here, you will see the Try It Free option for Windows. Just click on that option. And now it will start downloading and the setup into your PC. So this is the very small setup. Just click on the setup to open it. So when you open the setup here, you need to just click on the Yes option. After that, now you can just click on the Install, and you can also change the setting. Then it will start downloading and installing the HitPaw Video Enhancer into your PC. And this will take some time. So guys, after the installation is complete, now it will be open like this. So now, click on the Import Video file. And now here, you need to just select your video you want to enhance. And then you can start enhancing your video from here. So guys, this is how you can download and install the HitPaw Video Enhancer into your PC. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it. Also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day.